let's see the exact steps to permanently delete any Facebook public or private group after the 2026 update. Alright, so for that, you gotta launch the app. From menu, select the groups option, and then go to the Manage tab. And then just tap on this arrow, and then you gotta select the group that you wanna delete from this list if you got multiple groups. Now, after entering the group, first you gotta tap on Members. Now, after the 2026 update, all you gotta do is just tap on See All, and then tap on each member's name one after another, and then select Ban the members from this group, and then just hit Continue. You're gonna ban all the members like this way until the only person remains is you as an admin. Now, as you can see, if you tap on your name, there is no delete option anymore. So for that, you gotta just go back to your group dashboard, tap on this shield icon, scroll down till the bottom, and there it is. Just hit the delete group option, and from this pop-up, just hit the delete button. And that's it. In just a few moments, your group will be permanently deleted from Facebook. Thanks for watching.